Welcome to Whitestone's Nature Reserve. Whitestone's Nature Reserve is derived from the name Mhlopeni, meaning place of white stones. Here, an absolute paradise with trails and endless opportunities to explore and learn about the natural environment around us in this incredibly unique natural biome located in the Mhlopeni Valley near Muden, Greytown, Kwa-Zulu Natal. Whitestone's Nature Reserve is home to a plethora, a kingdom of animals and plants alike, an absolute paradise for anyone willing to learn about the way land is when it is protected and restored by those who are willing to be patient with nature, to protect its resources, and to defend this wild slice of paradise from the many challenges that it faces. And waiting for you is a sight to behold. Come and explore the massive white stones that reveals the waterfall. Coming to this place allows you to zoom in and to zoom out, finding balance in the halves. Vast expanses waiting to remind you where you come from, that you are part of nature and not separate to it. Pay attention to the land. You can see the veins of life running across it, the way nature always finds a path. These trails are an incredible representation of nature's intelligence that you can witness in person on these incredibly significant ancient lands. Your stay awaits at the gorgeous Umpatha bush camp or tent sites. Thank you for watching, and we are extremely excited to host you in such a beautiful place.